Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome all students from grade 6 in Bunga Bangsa Islamic Primary School. Selamat datang untuk semua siswa kelas 6 di SD Islam Bunga Bangsa. So this is going to be our meeting 2 for chapter 3. Jadi ini pertemuan kedua untuk materi di bab 3. After last week we learn about listening. Jadi setelah minggu lalu kita belajar tentang listening. So what are we going to learn today? But before we start, in case, jadi jaga-jaga, if you miss the materials before, you can always check it in my YouTube channel by this name of channel, Ahmad Taufik. You don't have to subscribe or anything, just watch the video, and if you have questions, you can put it in the comment panel or you can ask me from your parents. Jadi kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan bisa taruh di kolom komentar atau tanya lewat orang tua kalian. Okay, so today's mission is this. What is he doing? Yeah, he is reading. So yeah, we are going to learn about reading today. But before you read, jadi sebelum kalian ngebaca, we will learn about some of the vocabularies in the text. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang beberapa kata di dalam teksnya before you understand the text. This is the text. Now please wait for the analysis. Now we will start from the title, the London Marathon. Marathon is the long distance run. Jadi marathon itu lomba lari jarak jauh. So in here we can say like every year in spring. Nah, setiap tahun in spring. What is spring? Spring means musim semi. In the UK capital, UK capital means ibu kota di Inggris atau United Kingdom. Over 35,000 runners, lebih dari 35.000 pelari take part. What's the meaning of take part? Take part means ikut serta or join in one of the most spectacular sports events in the world. Jadi di salah satu acara olahraga paling spektakuler di dunia, the London Marathon. Sport events, as I said earlier, meaning is acara olahraga. Next, thousands of competitors run. Thousands means ribuan kompetitor atau peserta run the 42-kilometer route. What's a route? Jadi kayak ribuan peserta berlari di rute atau lintasan sejauh 42 km through the UK capital, melewati ibu kota UK. Watch by over 1 million, ditonton lebih dari 1 juta cheering spectators. Cheering spectators means penonton yang bersorak. So who are the marathon runners? Jadi siapa sih sebenarnya pelari maraton ini? They are men and women of all nationalities. Jadi mereka itu adalah pria dan wanita dari semua nationalities. What's a nationalities? Nationalities means kebangsaan. Jadi dari banyak negara and ages. There are athletes in wheelchairs. Ada atlet di wheelchairs. What's a wheelchairs? Ya, atlet memakai kursi roda. Athletes on foot, jadi yang berjalan kaki. And athletes in fancy dress costumes. Jadi ada juga atlet yang memakai kostum mewah. Fancy dress costumes. Some runners are serious athletes. Jadi beberapa pelari memang beneran atlet. Some are striving. What's a striving? Striving is trying, mencoba, or berusaha atau berjuang. To break the world records. Jadi mereka berusaha untuk memecahkan rekor dunia. But most are ordinary people. Ordinary people means orang biasa who just enjoy a challenge. A challenge means tantangan. And are happy to make the finishing line however long it takes. Jadi yang senang untuk bisa walaupun cuma sampai di garis finish however long it takes. Seberapa lama pun itu. And every year, most runners raise huge amounts of money for charity. Jadi what's the meaning of raise huge amounts of money for charity? It means mengumpulkan uang yang banyak for charity, untuk sumbangan. So they are running not for the prize, but they are spending money for charity, jadi untuk sumbangan. So they ask their families and friends to sponsor their marathon. Jadi mereka minta bantuan keluarga dan teman-teman mereka untuk mensponsori. Sponsor here means sponsor, maksudnya kayak bantuan for their marathons. Run by giving money to their favorite charities, dengan memberikan uang ke sumbangan atau mungkin ke donasi favorit mereka. While millions watch on the streets and on TV, many million, jadi ketika jutaan menonton dari jalanan dan TV, banyak juga jutaan sisanya benefit from means diuntungkan oleh the brave efforts, jadi dari usaha yang berani. Efforts means usaha. Brave efforts of the runner who take part in the London Marathon. Jadi diuntungkan dari usaha yang berani dari para pelari yang berpartisipasi atau ikut serta di London Marathon. So it's all about London Marathon and the runners. So they are not running for prize. Jadi mereka larinya bukan untuk dapat hadiah, but for raising amount for charity, amount of money for charity. Jadi mengumpulkan uang untuk disumbangkan. So thank you. That will be all for the materials today. If you have any questions, it will be appreciated. You can put it in the commentary column, or you can ask it through your parents, or you can ask about it on Zoom on our meeting later. So thank you very much. See you again. And if I give you any exercise or homework, please do it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.